The Wealth Mirror: see your financial future before it happens. What if you could see your financial future before it happens? Imagine looking into a mirror, but instead of your face, you see the life you're building with every dollar you spend. That's the power of something we call the Wealth Mirror. And no, it's not some sci-fi fantasy. It's a mindset. A system. A way to predict your financial future, based on the habits you have right now. What you're about to learn could change how you see money, forever. Most people don't go broke overnight. They go broke one $5 coffee, one missed investment, one impulse purchase at a time. But what if you could see the real cost of those habits, not in dollars, but in years of freedom lost? This isn't just about saving money. It's about seeing the life you're trading every time you ignore your financial future. Part 1: The Illusion of Now. We live in a world built for spending. Swipe now. Pay later. Subscribe forever. But behind the convenience is a silent trap. Your money isn't disappearing, it's building wealth, just not for you. That daily lunch? It's funding someone else's dream. The Wealth Mirror forces you to pause and ask: is this purchase adding to my life, or stealing from my future? Part 2: The Two Paths. Let's take two people with the exact same income. One spends $100 every weekend on things they don't remember. The other invests that $100 every month. 10 years later, the first has memories and some Instagram stories. The second has over $20,000 working for them, passively. That's the difference between a rich life today and a wealthy life tomorrow. The Wealth Mirror helps you choose which one you're building, before it's too late. Part 3: Your Personal Simulation. Now imagine an app that shows you both futures. You input your habits, your spending, your saving, your goals. And it reveals two versions of your life. The path you're currently on. And the path you could be on. One shows a retirement filled with stress. The other, freedom, travel, peace of mind. The decisions are yours. But now, you actually see what you're deciding. Part 4: Emotional Finance. People don't change from logic alone. They change when they feel the cost of staying the same. That's what the Wealth Mirror gives you. Not just charts and numbers, but a vision of what your life could be if you mastered your money. It's not about sacrifice. It's about direction. Every dollar is either building your dreams or delaying them. Part 5: How to Create Your Own Wealth Mirror. You don't need fancy software to start using the Wealth Mirror. Here's how you build your own. Step 1: Track everything. Know where your money goes. Step 2: Simulate your future. Use compound interest calculators, even simple spreadsheets. Step 3: Visualize. What does your wealthy future actually look like? Step 4: Review monthly. Adjust your habits. Reinforce your goals. Because small steps today create massive results over time. You can't change your past. But your future? It's being written right now. Every decision is a vote. Every habit is a builder. And the Wealth Mirror? It doesn't judge. It just shows you the truth before it becomes your reality. So ask yourself, are you building your dream life? Or financing someone else's? Subscribe for more tools that build wealth and freedom. And comment below, what's one habit you're changing after seeing your Wealth Mirror?